Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nurse Cooks. Today I'm going to be showing you my recipe for simple fish sauce. So on display here are the ingredients that we are going to need today to make our simple fish sauce. If you notice, I've already prepared everything we'll be using. This is to save time so that everything will go fast. Okay, so this is the fish, and then we have our sliced tomato, and then going next we have this containing our salt, the garlic, dried garlic, then we have our thyme and curry. Then also we have our groundnut oil that we're going to use. We have our sliced onions, our seasoning cube, and then our grinded pepper. So friends, continue with me on this beautiful journey. So guys, I hope you had a wonderful journey with me. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.